That's it. Weight through. Not bad, not bad. Keep the weight through the risers. Engaging brakes. When you lose your balance, you naturally want to engage brakes. And on the wind, that's the worst thing, because it will want to pull you up. Now I just got sea risers flying. Whee! Better. Sea risers, brakes. Backing up. Don't pinch to catch the pendulum. And there you go. Up. And back. Whoop. This is my favorite part. Actually, I'll go over it closer. This is my, maybe I'm in frame. Oh, there you go. This is my favorite part of flying. I'm just floating. It's like a dream. Whee! Just like the Boiseau! Right? Going behind you. Going around you. Paragliders are fun because you can do this kind of weird shit. And today, the lack of penetration actually kind of increases the fun factor. Whoops. There you go. Weight through the harness. I don't have my feet in the speed system. So hands up, a little bit extra speed.